Hello and welcome to morEwish Cuisine, my dishe kitchen with a Western touch. Today I'm sharing the recipe of Aloo Paratha, potato stuffed flatbread. Rolled flatbread with a stuffing of spicy mashed potatoes, a very typical and authentic Pakistani Indian cuisine dish. So for this recipe, let's see what we need more. So for the first step, you need to have a dough. For the dough, I'm using all-purpose flour with the salt. What you have to do is just add water like you make simple chapati roti. We just need that soft dough like that. And I'm using stand mixture here with a cooked dough. Of course, you can knead the dough with your hand as well. As I said, your dough should be soft, very soft dough. So when it's done, just transfer it into the bowl. Wet the top and keep the covered dough. You can keep it outside and in the fridge as well. Now for the potato mixture, first we need to boil the potatoes. After that, just mash them with the potato masher. So you will have like around 2 cups of mashed potatoes. Then I have a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of red chili flakes. Then I have a teaspoon each of coriander seeds and cumin seeds. What I did, I just crushed them with a rolling pin or a meat mallet. So I have crushed 2 teaspoons of both. Then I have chopped cilantro and green chilies. When I serving to kids, I don't prefer to add those, so I just have cilantro, like around 2 tablespoons. So just take your mashed potatoes, add your salt and red chili flakes, then your crushed coriander and cumin, cilantro, and mix it very well. You can check the seasoning at this point, and if you feel like, you can add some chili flakes, or yes, you can add the chopped green chilies too at this point. Now the rolling part. Just make the balls out of that dough. And start making the smooth balls with the help of dry flour. And it's like same like you used to do with the normal daily routine chapati or flatbread which you make. Now take each ball, flatten it on the dry flour, and try to smooth the edges with the help of your palm and the fingers. Just remember, we need 2 of these balls for 1 paratha. So just take one part, put the handful of stuffing on top of it, and then cover it with the other flattened part. Now repeat the same process for the rest of your dough and the rest of your stuffing. Now the rolling part. Just sprinkle the dry flour on the surface, and with the help of rolling pin, start rolling your stuffed flatbread with a very light hand. If you feel somewhere in the middle that paratha is sticking to your rolling pin, just sprinkle some more dry flour on the both sides and start rolling it again. Just make sure that edges are smooth too. Sometimes edges stay a little thicker, which doesn't taste that good. Now pick it up with a very light hand and very carefully put it on the hot griddle. So when it starts looking cooked to you, just very carefully with the help of tongue, just flip it. Pour some vegetable oil all around it and flip it again. Now just turn it around. Make sure the edges are getting the equal amount of heat. I just sometimes press from the edges too, so edges are not uncooked. Check in the intervals if you see it's getting the desired color. think it's done, just flip it again. Now let it cook from the other side as well. Pick it up and then transfer it to the remaining stack of potato parathas. So here is my aloo ka paratha. My spicy potato stuffed flatbread is ready. I serve it with the whipped yogurt, raita and some mango pickle. So here you can see the stuffing inside. I hope you guys see the potatoes. So if you guys try this recipe, just leave me a comment or give me a thumbs up. I'll see you guys next time with yet another recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like me on Facebook or follow me on Instagram.